OPPO Pad 4 Pro is a high-performance Android tablet designed for users who want a smooth experience for both work and play. It comes packed with modern features, a sleek design, and strong hardware to handle daily tasks, entertainment, and even heavy multitasking with ease. Whether you're using it for study, office work, watching movies, or gaming, the OPPO Pad 4 Pro offers an impressive balance of power and style. One of the best parts of the OPPO Pad 4 Pro is its 13.2-inch IPS LCD display. The screen delivers a crisp resolution of 3392 by 2400 pixels and supports 10-bit colors, which makes every image, video, or game look bright and sharp. It also offers a 144 Hz refresh rate, meaning the tablet feels smooth and fast when you're scrolling through apps and websites or playing action-packed games. With an 89% screen-to-body ratio, you get a wide and immersive viewing experience. At the heart of the OPPO Pad 4 Pro is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite octa-core processor. This advanced chipset helps the tablet run multiple apps smoothly without slowing down. Whether you're switching between social media, video calls, or editing files, the performance stays steady. Alongside the chip, the tablet offers flexible RAM options of 8GB, 12GB, or 16GB, and fast UFS 4.0, storage choices of 256GB or 512GB. For those who are always on the move, the OPPO Pad 4 Pro is built to last. It carries a massive 12140 mAh battery, which gives you hours of video playback and work time. When the battery runs low, the 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charger can power it back up in no time, so you won't have to wait long before using it again. The tablet features an 8-megapixel wide-angle front camera, perfect for video meetings and selfies, while the 13-megapixel rear camera lets you capture clear photos and documents. These cameras are useful for both work and fun, making the tablet a well-rounded device for students and professionals alike. The OPPO Pad 4 Pro also comes with 4 Dolby Atmos speakers, which create rich, high-quality sound for movies and games. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures quick and stable wireless connections, and dual-band Wi-Fi keeps your internet smooth whether you're using 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks. For long hours of work or play, its advanced graphite and silicone cooling system helps manage heat and maintain top performance. The OPPO Pad 4 Pro runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15, which is modern and user-friendly. Handy tools like 4-finger pinch, 2-finger split screen, and cross-device collaboration make multitasking easy and smooth. Whether you're working across devices or organizing multiple apps on one screen, the tablet is built to boost your productivity. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.